Welcome to Shoreland Chicago, your gateway to a student life full of bold colors, modern luxury, and campus closeness. These elegant studios, en-suites, non-en-suites, and two-bedroom apartments boast stainless steel appliances, including a microwave and dishwasher, in-unit laundry for easy wash days, and AC to keep things chill. Dive into your books in the business center, then hit the fitness center to recharge. Even dry cleaning is available on-site for extra convenience. Avail the speedy Wi-Fi in the public area. Feel free to bring your pet, they're welcome here. And for added convenience, there's a 24-hour front desk concierge and secure parking for your wheels available. You're just moments away from the University of Chicago and Illinois College of Optometry by car, so your timely arrival to class is effortless. With the buses on 5440 South SS Hyde Park and 55th Street just around the corner, plus the train station on 51st nearby, transit is smooth and speedy. The perfect student home at Shoreland Chicago won't wait forever, and neither should you. Book now on amberstudent.com.